Hello everyone, this is Neville Lalani. Welcome to our YouTube channel. आज हम मैथ्स में टॉपिक पढ़ने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट। इसका मतलब क्या है कि हमको जो नंबर दिया है वो नंबर हम किसके साथ इजीली डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। So let us see the definition. The number which has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. It means even numbers. In bracket, even numbers at its ones place. Ones place means लास्ट डिजिट। कोई भी नंबर का अगर लास्ट डिजिट 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 हो तो वो नंबर हम 2 के साथ डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। देन द गिवन नंबर is divisible by 2. So let us understand this with some example. So here the first number is 82. So let us check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. So in 82 we have 2 at its ones place. It means there is an even number in this at its ones place. So we'll divide with 2 and check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. So 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 8 0, will bring to downside, 2 1s are 2. Yes, this number is divisible by 2. Let us check another number, that is 434. 434 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 0, will bring this 3 downside, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 1, will bring 4 downside, 2 7s are 40. Yes, we have remainder 0. So this number is also divisible by 2. Now the third number is 2396. So you can pause the video and check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, you can say by looking at ones place, you can see 6 is at the ones place. So yes, this number is divisible by 2. Okay, so now let us see which numbers are divisible by 3. So it's again very easy. Let us understand the definition. The number whose sum means the answer of addition is divisible by 3, then the given number is also divisible by 3. इसका मतलब है जो नंबर हमको दिया है वो नंबर का एडिशन अगर 3 के साथ डिवाइड हो सकता है तो जो नंबर दिया है वो भी 3 के साथ डिवाइड हो सकता है. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड बाय एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हमको 21 दिया है, नाउ द नंबर हुज सम मींस हमको ये दो नंबर को ऐड करना है. सो 2 प्लस 1 2 plus 1 is equal to 3। अगर जो आंसर हमारा आया वो 3 के साथ डिवाइड हो सकता है, then the given number is also divisible by 3। अगर ये 3 डिविजिबल है तो 21 भी 3 के साथ डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। लेट अस चेक 21 डिवाइड बाय 3। या इन 3's table 3 sevens are 21। Let us understand by another example. Let us take 51। Let us add these both the numbers, 5 plus 1 6। अगर 6 3 के साथ डिवाइड हो सकता है तो 51 भी 3 के साथ डिवाइड हो सकता है। So let us see, is 6 divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3। So let us check whether 51 is also divisible by 3 or not। So again 51 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, 5 minus 3 2, we'll bring 1 down, 3 sevens are 21। Yes, we are getting remainder as 0, it means the number is completely divisible by 3। Let us take any 3-digit number। 411। So again we'll add all these 3 numbers, 4 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6। Yes, so here we are getting again 6, it means 6 is divisible by 3, hence 411 is also divided by 3, can be divided by 3। You can check it by yourself। Let us take one big number, 4-digit number। 2253। So let us add all these, 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 3 12। So yes, again we are getting two number, 1 and 2। So you can still add it further, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3। Yes, here we are getting 3। So 3 is divisible by 3, hence 2253 is also divisible by 3। I am giving one another question, you can pause the video, try it by yourself and answer me in the comment box whether this number is divisible by 3 or not। 7119। Solve it by yourself and tell me in the comment section। Now we will understand which numbers can be easily divided by 5 with remainder 0। Means ऐसे कौन से नंबर है जो हम 5 के साथ डिवाइड कर सकते हैं और जिसका रिमाइंडर 0 हो। इट्स वन ऑफ द वेरी easiest, most easiest divisibility test। So let us see the definition। The number which has 0 or 5 at its ones place। इसका मतलब जो भी नंबर हमको दिया है अगर उसके पीछे 0 या फिर 5 हो, then the number is divisible by 5। Let us see and understand with one example। Let us take 215 जिसके पीछे 5 है। So let us try to divide it with 5। 215 divided by 5, 5 4s are 20, 21 minus 20 is 1, we'll bring this 5 downside, 5 3s are 15। Yes, here we have remainder 0. It means 215 is also divisible by 5. I am giving you another number 4295. It doesn't matter how big the number is. वो कुछ मैटर नहीं करता, नंबर चाहे छोटा हो या बड़ा, सभी के पीछे 5 या फिर 0 आना कंपलसरी है. Then you can easily divide that number by 5. I am giving you as an homework. You solve this and again inform me in the comment section whether 4295 is divisible by 5 or not. You can solve one more question at home. 4260. You can solve this and tell me in the comment box whether these two numbers are divisible by 5 or not. Now we will understand which numbers are divisible by 7. It means the divisibility test of 7. ऐसे कौन से नंबर है जो हम 7 के साथ डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? Let us understand the definition first. In a given number, double the digit at ones place. उसका मतलब है जो भी नंबर हमको दिया है उसका लास्ट डिजिट हम 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और उसका जो आंसर आता है subtract it from the remaining number. जो भी आंसर आया वो आंसर को रिमेनिंग नंबर के साथ हमको माइनस करना है. अगर उसका आंसर ऐसा आया जो 7 के साथ डिवाइड हो सकता है तो जो नंबर हमको दिया है वो भी 7 के साथ डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So in a given number, double the digit at ones place, subtract it from the remaining number, and the answer you get if it can be divided by 7, then the given number is also divisible by 7. If you want to write the definition, you can pause the video and you can write the definition. So let us understand this by an example. Let us take one number 196. And as per the definition, let us try to understand 196. So 6 is at its ones place. So we will double the number. It means 6 2s are 12. And we will minus this 12 from the remaining number. So remaining number is 19. So 19 minus 12 is 7. So if this 7 is divisible by 7, then 196 is also divisible by 7. So let us check. 196 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. 19 minus 14 5 and 6 downside. In table 7 where we get 56, 7 8s are 56. Yes, we are getting remainder 0. It means 196 is divisible by 7. Let us take another example. That is 434 In this number also, we will double the last digit, that is 4. 4 to the 8. We will subtract 8 from the remaining number, that is 43. So 43 minus 8 gives 35. Now let us check. 35 comes in the table of 7. Yes, 7 5s are 35. So as 35 is divisible by 7, 434 is also divisible by 7. You can check it by yourself. If it's not possible, you can let me know in the comment section. Let us go ahead with the next number. 574. So let us do with the same definition. Here 4 is at its ones place, so 4 2s are 8. We'll subtract 8 from the remaining number, 57 minus 8. So the answer is 49. If you don't know that 49 is divisible by 7 or not, you can again apply this rule. 49. So in 49, last digit is 9. So 9 2s are 18. We'll subtract 18 from the remaining number, that is 4. So 4 minus 18 is minus 14. It doesn't matter whether the number is minus or plus, but it should satisfy the condition that it should be divisible by 7. So this minus 14 is divisible by 7. So 574 is also divisible by 7. I am giving you one more question. Try and solve it by yourself. Next number is 252. You can pause the video and let me know whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. Yes, this number is divisible. I hope you have understood all the divisibility tests of 2, 3, 5 and 7. I hope it will be useful to you in your studies. If you think that you didn't understand any of the topic, please let us know in the comment box. We'll try to reach to you and explain you all the doubts wherever you are facing difficulties. Thank you.